Staying at the Marriott Palm Jumeirah Beach in Dubai, but don't want those extortionate holiday prices. Stay with me, I'm going to show you the location of two shops. One's a little nicer than the other, one's a bit more expensive, but one's a bit more luxurious. They're both very close. You're going to save a fortune, so stick with me. Let's keep those Dubai costs down together. The first shop we're going to look at today is called Viva. I did show you where this was in last week's video, so if you take a look up there, you'll see exactly how long it took us to get to that shop. It was approximately 3 minutes. It's a very, very cheap shop. If you think of Aldi or Lidl here in England, they're very, very similar to that. Unbrand names, but very, very cheap. Actually, much cheaper than England. I found that in both the shops. Both shops were either on a par or cheaper than England. These are the things you need to go to and get food to take back to your hotel. You can get some nice prepared meals, you can get some nice sandwiches, or even some drinks. But don't drink them around the pool, they don't like that. You can if you cheat a little. I'll show you on a hints video very, very soon. So it took this long, and here we are at the Viva. Sometimes a Viva's not enough, because Viva is very much like Aldi in the UK. There's not many brand names in there. Sometimes you want your favourites. I don't like the Coke from Viva, but I do like Coca-Cola, the brand. You can get that at Spinnies. So Viva, as I say, is very much the non-brand names. I'm going to show you how to get to Spinnies from the Marriott. And it's not the Google Maps way. The Google Maps way will take you to Spinnies, but it takes you all the way around the world. It takes you in the sunshine. I'm going to show you a way that doesn't involve the sunshine. So you come out to the front of the hotel, and then you'll be faced with this main road, which is a very daunting road, busy main road. But you're going to go to the first zebra crossing. This first zebra crossing isn't activated by lights, so it's just a case of crossing, and people should stop for you. Unlike that person did there, you can't always win. But then you're going to come to this crossing, which is an actual zebra crossing. So the people before me have already pressed, and the lights are red on the bottom, which means we can't cross just yet. So we just sit and wait. But trust me, even if you follow the Google Maps way, it takes you further down that way, and it makes you cross anyway. See that it's flashing amber? It's telling people to slow down. And then that little man over there will turn green. As soon as he turns green, we can cross over the road. We're heading towards that big sandy coloured building opposite. It's called the Golden Mile. The green's telling us to get across, and then we're going to press the button on this side, and then we wait. This time it was a lot quicker. We're crossing over, as I said, we're heading towards the Golden Mile. Just one more crossing to go, and this one's a better one. This one is one of those on the floor where you can just walk across. So we've now crossed that busy main road. We're just outside the Golden Mile. Gonna go up these stairs into building 4 and building 5. So timed it, we spent a grand total of 3 minutes 44 seconds outside in the heat. You'll be thankful in the summer to get out of the heat as much as possible. And then turn right. So I'll probably speed this bit up a little bit, because we just head right now until we get to a Spinnies. I might point out some little things along the way. There are some nice little places to eat. You don't really know these are here because the building is very reminiscent of a hotel from the outside, and I thought it was either a hotel or apartments, but I think it's apartments and eateries and shops. So it is worth coming and having a quick look around. There's a Cafe Nero if you're interested. Following the sign to the supermarket. So carry on straight down, past the next set of escalators. And we're heading towards a Lebanese street kitchen, Habib Beirut. And we're heading all the way down this corridor. It's a nice little bakery on the right. should you wish to stop off for a cake en route. This is lovely, it's all air conditioned. The way Google Maps takes you around the outside of the building, which sounds fine, but trust me, when the temperature is 50 degrees outside, the last thing you want to do is do this walk. While it's only going to be, I think, 7 or 8 minutes, trust me, you're not going to want to do that in the summer. Signs are telling us to carry straight on. You're going to cross some more escalators, but you want to go straight down here. It's a pharmacy should you need one. Hopefully you won't. I've not needed one this holiday. Just to get some plasters for my feet. Not my own fault. Didn't wear my shoes in before I got here. And here we are. It's taken a grand total of 8 minutes 3 seconds to get to Spinnies from the Marriott Palm Jumeirah. Not bad at all, mostly air conditioned, and they've got a Spinnies kitchen attached. Spinnies owns Waitrose here in Dubai, so sort of seen as a posher, smarter supermarket than Viva, which could have the brand names you want. Just come to pick up a sandwich and probably a bottle of Coke, because I always get a bottle of Coke everywhere I go. And this is Spinnies, ladies and gents. All the fresh drinks you could possibly want at a fraction of your hotel price. I do like real Coke or real Pepsi, so I'm going to grab one of these. These sandwiches were roughly £3 each. Don't think you can beat that, I'll be honest. So that's a cheaper store and a slightly more expensive store, just in case you want to buy some home comforts while you're here in Dubai. Much, much cheaper than the hotel. I suggest you get your drinks from the supermarket. My Coke was roughly just under 80 pence, so that's cheaper than back home. And they're going to charge you £5, £6 for a can in the hotel. So stock up and drink it in secret. Watch my hints and tips videos for that one. So to get back out, you just follow the way you came in and you'll soon be there. Bye for now.